Hi all, just doing a real quick video on the Interplast group PB060315H 6-inch by 3-inch by 15-inch heavy duty plastic food bag. And they're heavy duty because they're actually 1 mil, which is actually the thickness. It can do about 3.5 quarts worth of stuff that you can be able to put in it. So what I'm going to be able to do is just do a real quick video and let you see that these bags, these 6 by 3 by 15s, do not just have to be used just for food. I have some red with white striped 7-inch stirrer straws here. And the nice thing is they do come inside of a box, and you can get them from Webstron as well. But the nice thing about it is, instead of just having it just inside the box, you can be able to have that extra protection. I like to put it inside of a bag as well, because when they fall or if the box gets damaged, because you're opening and closing it a lot to refill the straws, it's nice to have them inside of the bag so that if the bag falls, no problem, no big deal. It's not going to fly and spill everywhere. And I like to go ahead and put the label that this is the original box that it came with, so that I can know exactly what it is, and I'll just put it right with the straws after I'm done putting them all in. And this is close to around 1,000 straws, because we've used a few of them. But this is close to around 1,000 of the stirrer straws. And you imagine having to pick those up off the floor? Not fun. So I'll go ahead and put these on here so I'll know exactly what they are. And I can easily be able to just bag it up, put a twist tie on it, and put it right back in its original box. Thank you so much for watching.